My name is Tina Hayward, and I am a senior in electrical engineering at the University of Utah. A little about me. I'm from a rural town in Utah, and in high school, I didn't know that I wanted to be an electrical engineer until about my senior year. And only then I tried it because someone told me they thought I'd be good at it. Before that, I thought I would be a musician, but then I didn't like practicing enough. But I made a good choice. Electrical engineering has been one of the most fulfilling things I've ever done. So school is hard, especially engineering school is hard, but be assured that amongst all of your all-nighters, you will make some awesome friendships with other people who are also pulling all-nighters. And the faculty are so supportive. You can go to them pretty much for anything, and they will do their best to help you. Turns out I don't actually take a lot of pictures of my homework or assignments. So here's some stock photos of electrical engineering components and stuff. There's somebody testing some fancy something. This one is actually one of my early projects. That had to have been my second year of school. And this is some simulation results of one of my current projects, which is pretty good. But college isn't all about just homework, right? There's also some other cool opportunities. For example, I joined a robotics team, which was super, super fun. It taught me a lot about practical engineering, like actually making things work, which is awesome. And I also got to go see the NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida a couple times. So here's a robot that we built a couple years ago. Here's some of my team and I all in Florida. Here's me at the Kennedy Space Center. It was an amazing experience. And then some other fun things. So there's my project again. But this was a hackathon competition a couple years ago that my team actually got first place on. And here's me at my internship at Space Dynamics Lab last summer. So as you can see, there's lots of things you can do. Whatever you decide to go into, just look for all the opportunities because they're around and they're very fun. So good luck, guys.